ain't supposed to.
It's a whole bunch, dog.
Ew. Bruh. All that spit, and then you just slurped it back up. Nasty.
Hashtag Team Chris. Cause we in this guy. Alright, we good this way. We good over here. And she gotta go to this lipo appointment today. Cause today's the day she did her lipo. She scheduled her appointment for a lipo thing. She's gonna get her blood work and stuff like that. So I need to freshen up in there. But anyways, hashtag Team Chris in the comments, bro. Cause everybody knows, everybody talking about some Team Queen is liars. Because y'all know for a fact, Chris is the master of pranks. You know I got the best pranks, so stop lying to yourself. You keep lying to yourself every day and talking about some Queen is the master, is the best in pranks. No. Where did you get that from? Like, Queen pranks suck. My pranks is way better than Queen's. She only got me on one little prank, and that was the dildo prank and the abortion prank.
Dildo prank?
Only pranks I give her. Only pranks I'm giving her.
I'm gonna have to watch
Other
that.
than that,
What she do, fucking with a dildo?
Guess what? Let's get to business. I'll see y'all in a minute. I'm about to hide this camera. She getting the shower.
She coming. And there she is. Queen.
Baby, are you almost, you ready? You ready, baby? You almost ready? I'm not gonna take long, don't worry. I'm not gonna take long.
Fast forward. Speed it up. Chipmunk version, chipmunk version. Hey. You're right.
It's Rose, baby. It's Rose.
Ricky Rose.
I can't wait till I fully get my color in, man. I can't wait till it's like all red. I want to be looking red. Exclusive.
Ew, that cough.
I wish that I could have.
Ooh, I would have been angry. What?
Chris!
I would have killed you.
Really?
I would have killed you. Like,
You
seriously.
Black. Ooh! I just washed my hair!
You,
Oh my God! Oh!
Nigga, you got this all in my You dirty black son of a grease monkey.
Dirty black son. Dirty
Oh
black
my
son of
God.
a grease
Are you
monkey.
freaking serious? Do you mean I have to get Chris? Oh my God, move. Bro,
Wow.
come here. Come here.
Stop playing, bro.
No,
Bro, chill. Stop playing. Chill, big.
move.
Look at Queen.
Wow.
Look at Queen.
It's not funny, stupid. Chris, I just washed my hair, bro.
Don't get so
Bro.
mad,
What do you mean
baby.
don't get so mad?
Oh, poor
How the heck am I supposed to? Oh my God. Oh my God. My hair looks freaking gray.
Oh, it's okay, baby.
Where's the baby powder? Where's the baby powder, Chris?
Stop playing with me, bro.
Where's it at?
I threw it outside.
Where's this baby powder, Chris? Where's this baby? No, move. Get that freaking powder. Bro, you're so irritating.
Bro.
Why you always do stupid stuff at the wrong time?
Look at Queen. She mad.
Ooh.
She pissed.
Oh.
You know what ass of a girl like you see no way.
You childish. Bitch, you know I gotta go.
Oh, why she mad, though?
You know I
Why
gotta
she
Is you bad or no?
Why she mad,
Big
though?
bad or little bad?
Why she so mad, though? What's she so mad, though, for? You feel me, G? She mad, though. I'm just throwing on the Gucci flip-flops, man. We out this thing. I'm about to go outside butt booty naked, too. She still crying like a little baby. Hey, we have to go back up there. We have to go back up there, y'all. Oh, yeah, we have to go back up there. Look at her. She hurt. Let me make sure she...
Chris!
Oh, look at her.
Aww, the
Hey,
baby.
it's okay. Just wash it out.
I don't even know if this is good for my hair. I just got my hair dyed.
It's baby powder. Baby powder is good for the skin.
Are you freaking serious? Why would you do that?
Baby, just wash it out, baby.
What do you mean wash it out? I just washed my hair up.
Baby, just wash it out.
Girl, just wash it out, rinse it
so
out. Just rinse it.
irritated.
Just put your head in the sink and rinse it.
Oh, what can I say? Baby.
No, ain't
All right, well, there you have it. My reaction to the Chris and Queen hair blow dryer prank. Bruh, I would have been mad. Like, what the freaking fucks? Why would you? Who thinks of something like that? But that was a good one. That was a really good one. But did y'all see that drool come out of his mouth and then he slurped it back up? Bro is nasty. But anyways, there you go. Give this video some likes, subscribes, comment for more, for some challenges, and I will see y'all in the next video coming soon. Maybe later tonight, maybe in an hour, maybe 30 minutes from now, 15, 20, 35, 40, 45, 50. But if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. If you haven't hit that like button, hit the like button.
Hit it.
Hit the like button.
Hit it.
Like y'all dab, hit that like.
Hit it.
And we'll be back in our next life. I'll be back in our next life. Deuces.